friends, welcome to Tech by Ara. In this video, I am gonna show you how to create an account on HackerRank. After successfully creating an account, we'll solve our first SQL query question on HackerRank. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and navigate to hackerrank.com. In order to create an account, we need to sign up first. So click on sign up option and then click on I am here to practice and prepare. Then we'll press on continue. You can sign up using your email address or you can use your existing Google or a Facebook account for a quicker registration. So here we'll just click on prepare for job interview and then let me skip it for now. As you can see on this main dashboard, there are many languages available to prepare for, and you can practice here by selecting any of the languages you want. And then also there is an option of to get certified. So by giving test you can get a certification from HackerRank. Here we'll locate to SQL section and click on it to access SQL related problems. Now let's solve the first SQL query on HackerRank, that is revising the select query 1. So we'll click on solve challenge button. Question is query all columns for all American cities in the city table with a population larger than 1 lakh and the country code is USA. The question says that we need to query all the columns of the American city which is present in the city table, and there is one condition that the population should be larger than 1 lakh and the country code should be USA, because we want to query all the American cities, so the country code is USA. I hope you have understood the question. Now let's write some query. So for getting all the columns of American city, we'll write select star from city and the condition is where population greater than 1 lakh and the country code should be USA. As USA is a string, we'll write it in quotes. Now let's run our code to check if it is correct or not. Yes, it is correct. So now let's submit our code. Congratulations, we have solved our first question and earned 10 points.